Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can add or insert image in our PDF file. Let's start. Open your PDF file. This is my PDF file, my CV. I want to insert picture here. You can insert picture to your any PDF file where you want, right? But I want to change this picture, right? Okay, let's start. Just right click on your PDF file and click on add image. When you click on add image, the PDF reader will ask you to subscribe for a premium version, but don't worry, we can do it for free, right? Okay, let's start. Just open your this picture, right click on this picture and open with Paint. Now just select Control All, select your this picture and just copy, just Control C, copy this picture and go to your PDF file and just paste your picture here. Just paste your picture here, Control V. Now the picture is here. Now we have to resize this picture. Just resize this picture, right, on your own requirement. How much how big picture you want, you can just resize it here. And now for example, I want to add picture here, where I want. I can move it. I want to add my picture here. Just I will put it here, right, and I will resize it a little bit. Okay, fine. Now my picture is ready. You can see that I add my picture here. I will just save this picture, Control S. Now I will save this picture on desktop and I will give the name of for this file and I will click on save. Done. Now my picture is already saved. Now I will open the file again. Okay, this is my file, right? I will open this file again. You can see that I already changed picture for this file. So you can change your PDF picture or insert picture in your PDF file. You can change your PDF picture if you follow the same step. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.